Good morning children. Welcome to Social Science class. I am Neetu from Bharatidasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Last session we discussed about what are the causes behind the outbreak of 1857 revolt, right? We discussed about the political causes, economic causes, social and religious causes, military causes, right? So today in this third section we are going to discuss about the last reason, immediate cause of the 1857 revolt. Immediate cause. Okay. So what is the immediate cause behind the outbreak of 1857 revolt? Let's see. In last session we explained the oppressive economic policies, aggressive annexation policies, religious and social interference by the British government were like dry firewood awaiting to be lightened. Okay, this interference, over interference of British government towards the internal affairs of India, it's created a hatred, a discontentment among the Indians towards British government. Okay, during that time, another reason is there for the outbreak of this revolt. This spark came in the form of the incident of the greased cartridge. Okay, what do you mean by cartridge? Students, do you know about cartridge? Cartridge is containing explosive gunpowder. It's containing a gunpowder into a tube. Okay, so this greased cartridge is an issue. Okay, see, the British had introduced a new rifle, Enfield, for the sepoys. So British government, especially the British had introduced a new rifle, a gun, Enfield for the sepoys. What are the speciality? What is the peculiarity of this Enfield rifle? Now, the cartridge had to be bitten before use. It was rumored that these cartridges were greased with the fat of cows, was the holy animal of Hindus, and the pig was considered taboo for the Muslims. So, this cartridge made up of the ghee of cow and pig. Okay, the Hindus considered cow as their sacred animal, and the Muslims considered that the pig, it is a taboo. Taboo means there's don't follow that, is impure or unholy. Okay, that is known as they considered taboo for the Muslims, especially pig was considered taboo for Muslims, and cow, Hindus considered cow as their sacred animal. So that during that period a rumor was spread out all over India. What was the rumor? This cartridge was made up of the ghee of cow and pig. So it's created a hatred, a rivalry attitude among this people of India, especially the Muslims and Hindus. Okay, so they felt that British were doing this to defile their religions. Defile means they considered it's very to make angry. They make very angry towards the British rule. Okay, so this is the most important cause. What? The immediate cause. Okay, during that time an Enfield, a greased Enfield was introduced by British government. That Enfield was made up of, the cartridge was made up of the ghee of cow and pig. So both Hindus and Muslims, they are considered, especially Hindus, they considered cow as their sacred animal. So don't use the ghee of cow. And what about the Muslims? They considered is pig as a holy, pig as an impure, pig, they considered pig as taboo. Okay, so it's created a discontent among them. It's led to the outbreak of 1857 revolt. That is the immediate cause. Got it? So these are the 5 major causes. So what is the first cause? Political cause, economic causes, social and religious causes, then political causes and immediate cause. These are the 5 major causes behind the outbreak of 1857 revolt. Clear, students? Okay, then next topic we are going to discuss about the spread of revolt. Okay, we already explained 10th May 1857 the revolt was broke out in Meerut. Meerut is located in Delhi. Okay, so spread of revolt. Some people behind, some people under the leadership of Mangal Pandey, a sepoy at Barakpur, refused to bite the cartridge. So during that time, under the leadership of Mangal Pandey, he said that we refuse to bite the cartridge, and he fired on 2 senior British officers, injuring them seriously. Under the leadership of Mangal Pandey, he planned to attack against British government, British official. At the time, he was captured and he is caught and he was hanged to death. Okay, Mangal Pandey, he is the leader. Okay, Mangal Pandey is the leader of 1857 revolt. Mangal Pandey, a sepoy at Barakpur, refused to bite the cartridge and he fight against the British officials and he injured, he fired on 2 senior British officials and he caught and hanged to death. Then this incident infuriated the sepoys who started the revolt in Meerut on 10th May 1857. Don't forget about the year of 1857 is very important in Indian history. On 10th May 1857, okay, a contingent of soldiers marched from Meerut to Delhi. A contingent means a group of soldiers, okay, a group of soldiers marched from Meerut to Delhi and they killed many British soldiers and officers. Then Delhi became the center of revolt as they proclaimed the Mughal king Bahadur Shah Zafar as the emperor of India. During that time, we all know that the medieval period, Indian history, medieval period, we can see that. So during that time, Mughal king Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was the emperor of India. At that time, the revolt was started from Meerut and is spread all over Delhi. Okay, so many of the British soldiers and officers were killed. That's why it's considered as the first war of independence. Okay, then the centers of revolt: Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Bareilly, Jhansi, Arrah. These are the major places, centers of revolt. Okay, I hope you understood the class, students. I have attached subject material. Do self-assessment, and if you have any doubts, kindly go through the video. Thank you.